Welcome to the Sweet Scents videos. Today I will be showing you how I created the fall wax melts. The scent used for the wax melts is a combination of apple, clove, and wood fragrance. The wax melts start with a yellow wax that I poured into the mold. Then I added some red wax to the yellow. Both of the wax melts have mica added to them to give a shimmery effect, and the color combination of the yellow and red wax combined allowed for a perfect look of real fall leaves. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to check out our website at www.sweetscentshop.com. Have a great day.